Hello. You are likely watching this video because you received a jury summons for a virtual trial conducted by the United States District Court for the Southern District of Indiana. Due to the continuing impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, virtual jury trials are being conducted in some instances to ensure the health and safety of all participants and jurors. Virtual trials in the Southern District of Indiana are held on the secure ZoomGov platform. In addition to your jury summons, you should have received a juror manual for virtual trials, which walks you through all of the steps necessary to test your connectivity, join, and participate in a ZoomGov trial. This video will walk you through the basics, but please take some time to review the full manual prior to logging in on the day of the trial. Please be sure you have reviewed the device specifications on page 5 of the Juror Manual. It is highly recommended that you join the virtual trial using a desktop or laptop computer, but a tablet is also allowed. The device should have a speaker or headphones, a microphone, and a working webcam. Using headphones with a microphone is preferred if possible to reduce other noise and audio feedback. As soon as possible after receiving your jury summons, and preferably during peak usage times of 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, please complete the Internet connectivity test linked on page 5 of the Juror Manual. It is essential that your Internet connection meets the necessary specifications to join a ZoomGov meeting. To conduct an Internet speed test, please navigate to www.speedtest.net. Click Go in the center of the screen. An Internet speed test will automatically begin. Please be patient as the process can take a few minutes to complete. When complete, your results will display automatically. On the results screen, you will see your download and upload speeds displayed. Look for a download speed greater than 1500 kilobits or 1.5 megabits and an upload speed greater than 1500 kilobits or 1.5 megabits. If your Internet speeds do not meet these requirements, please contact Jury Administration at the telephone number provided in your summons as soon as possible. The day before you are scheduled to appear for trial, you will receive an email from the courtroom deputy of the judge presiding over your trial. The message will be similar to the one displayed on the screen. At the bottom of the message, you will see the link to join the ZoomGov session. Do not share this link with anyone. On the morning of your trial, please plan to join the Zoom session at least 20 minutes early, giving yourself adequate time to troubleshoot if necessary. To join the ZoomGov session from a desktop or laptop computer, open the email from the courtroom deputy and click the link to join. If you have never used any version of Zoom before and click the link from a desktop or laptop computer, you will be asked to download the Zoom Client app. It is highly recommended that you do this rather than join in browser. Once you have downloaded the desktop app, click Launch Meeting. A pop-up will ask you if you want to open Zoom Meetings. Click Open Zoom Meetings. If prompted, select Join with Computer Audio. If you have never joined a Zoom meeting before, you will be prompted to enter your name. Please enter your full first and last name as it appears on your jury summons. If you are not prompted to enter your name and Zoom is not set to display your full first and last name, you will need to change your name through the participant panel once you have been admitted to the ZoomGov session. You will be taken to a virtual waiting room. Please be patient as you wait for the courtroom deputy to admit you at the appropriate time. If joining from a tablet, please download the Zoom app from the App Store prior to the day of the trial. On the day of the trial, navigate to the courtroom deputy's email on your tablet. Click the link to join the ZoomGov session. The Zoom app will open. When prompted, enter your full first and last name as it appeared on your jury summons. A box will pop up asking for permission to access your camera. Click OK. Then click Join with Video. Another box will pop up asking for permission to access your microphone. Click OK. You will be taken to the virtual waiting room. Please be patient as you wait for the courtroom deputy to admit you at the appropriate time. Once you have been admitted, if you were unable to change your name to your full first and last name when joining the session, please open the participant panel found in the Zoom toolbar at the top or bottom of your screen. Find your name from the list of participants and hover over your name with your mouse. You will see an action button labeled More. Click on it, then select Rename. A pop-up box will open. Place your cursor in the text box and type your full first and last name into the box. When finished, click OK. Once you have been admitted to the ZoomGov session, you will be placed in a jury breakout room where jury services will check you in and provide other needed information. Throughout the course of the trial, you will utilize the Zoom toolbar and other menu settings. The Zoom toolbar is located at either the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device. Let's review the actions available in the toolbar. Mute, unmute your microphone. Click this icon to unmute or mute yourself as needed. You can click the arrow next to the microphone icon to open audio settings. Here you can change your speaker and microphone settings if needed. Start or stop your video feed. Turn your camera on and off by clicking this icon. You can click the up arrow next to the camera icon to open and adjust your video settings. Participants. Click this icon to open a pop-out screen that shows a list of participants in the meeting. Chat. Click this icon to open the chat panel, where you can start or respond to a chat message. Share your screen. Although this option will be visible, it should not be used by jurors. Leave meeting. Leaving the meeting will disconnect you. You should not leave the meeting unless directed to do so by the court. You also have the option to choose between gallery and speaker views. To change your view, look for the View button, which should be located at the top of your screen. Click on this button to change between gallery and speaker views. Gallery view provides a grid view of all participants up to the maximum allowed on your device's screen. Speaker view only shows the current speaker. Throughout the trial, you will utilize gallery view to see all relevant participants who are sharing their video. To maximize the number of participants you can see on camera, please hide non-video participants. To do this, first set your view to gallery view. Then look for a participant whose video feed is off. You will just see a black box with their name in it. Hover your mouse over this black box and an ellipsis will appear in the top right corner of the box. Click on it for more options. From the resulting menu, select Hide Non-Video Participants. During the trial, it is possible that you may become disconnected from the ZoomGov session. If a disconnect occurs, please rejoin the session as quickly as possible by reopening the courtroom deputy's email and clicking the link to join. You will return to the virtual waiting room, and the courtroom deputy will readmit you to the trial. If you are unable to immediately reconnect due to technical difficulties, please contact the courtroom deputy promptly. Please do not intentionally disconnect unless instructed to do so by court staff. On behalf of the United States District Court for the Southern District of Indiana, we thank you for your service as jurors and look forward to working with you.